We are a Saskatchewan-born company located in southeast Saskatchewan. We started this company to advance the construction industry through capability and technology. My name is Scott Trach, and this is Preferred Energy Inc. Preferred Energy is a mechanical construction company with multiple divisions servicing the energy sectors. We are celebrating our 10-year anniversary and strengthening our future by adding new divisions. Currently, we have an insulating and building division, a pipeline division, a solar division. We have a very capable welding shop. In our state-of-the-art fabrication facility, we can meet your needs with semi and automatic weld processes. Preferred Energy always puts safety first. We're recognized with ComplyWorks, Aveta, ISN Net, and Core Certified. Currently, we conduct business in Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Alberta, as well as our United States division. We strive for excellence to continue our future in the construction industry.
Preferred Energy has a 13,000 square foot fabrication facility in Stoughton, Saskatchewan. Here we house a robotic welder capable of 40-inch stainless and carbon steel pipe with auto and semi-auto processes. We are CWB certified and have completed large skid fabrication projects for multiple clients. Our solar energy division has been excelling for the last 2 years, installing a product that we have engineered and designed in-house. Our blasting and coating facility is capable of internal pipe coatings as well as numerous types of external coatings. Preferred Energy has added a new pipeline division in 2019, and to date we have successfully installed miles of piping for several customers, including HDPE, carbon, and fiberglass pipe systems. We own and operate a robotic pipe fabrication welder. The RotoWeld is capable of achieving extremely high output of fabrication inches in a short period of time. Preferred Energy will facilitate all your needs with one phone call. We are very experienced with the fabrication of your facilities, pipelines, municipal water systems. We also have a maintenance division to make sure that your facility is running at all times. Over 10 years ago, when I founded Preferred Energy, I never thought that we would get to this size in southeast Saskatchewan. To date, we have almost 100 employees. That's 100 families, and I've never been so grateful as to achieve something so substantial and meaningful to the community. Preferred Energy is built on the people that we employ. We could not have made this possible and achieved this goal without you.